to live in Los Angeles a few years ago, and I couldn't catch a cold, let alone a job. So here I am back 4 years later, and it's like, hey, I'm the star of a film with Universal Pictures, and it's pretty surreal, to sum it up. Yeah, it's pretty fantastic. I thought, well, thank God this epic visual is in the hands of a certain Mr. Peter Jackson, because if anybody can do it justice, he can. Because that's the thing, as soon as I found out about the project, you know, you start furiously Googling, and then all of this beautiful conceptual art from the book comes up, these incredible pictures of Hester Shaw sort of looking over the hunting ground and seeing London, sort of this big sort of cloud of smoke in the distance. And you just think this thing is going to make a hell of a movie, you know? And I'm in it. Isn't that great? So that's an added bonus. Yeah, you know, it was really lovely. He has the trait that he's about as obsessive as Peter Jackson. So he's the right man to take the baton, you know? He's the right co-pilot, now pilot. So, He worked me hard, you know. He worked me hard. I never went home thinking that we left a rock unturned. You know, we tried everything, did everything. It was incredibly thorough.